Welcome to the Gammastrike UI Quick Start. Today we will be covering the Greeks by Strike page. Starting from the top left corner, you have the ability to select various views of the strike chart for each of the main options, Greeks or values. We display delta, gamma, vega, charm, speed, and vana. Additionally, you can view the latest OI and trading volumes for the last trading day on the chart as well. You can also flip to view how Greeks are changing by expiry instead of strike on the same page, and you'll notice color-coded button shading to remind you which type of chart you are on. Note that all chart functionality on this page works across both chart types. Over on the right side of the top panel, you can flip through the 5 most recent trading days and view how the data has changed over the prior days. We also include a summary of the expiry date range you are viewing, which will correspond with the next piece of chart functionality. Over on the right, we have our expiry selector. This allows you to select the date range that you would like to view data for with the upcoming expiry as a fixed date. Note that the All Expiries button on the top will quickly reset the chart. Back on the main chart, you can select to view data for calls and puts, only puts, or net the results of both together. Over on the left y-axis, you have the Greeks values, but take note that the y-axis values for each Greek may use separate units. For example, delta is displayed in dollars, but gamma is displayed in dollars per percent of spot. For larger chains, such as SPX or SPY, you can scroll through the x-axis to view the far out of the money strikes. Lastly, if you want to understand at what expiry the majority of options at a certain strike are, you can click on any bar in the Calls Puts display and view the OI at that strike across all expiries. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and will consider liking and subscribing. Please be sure to check us out at gammastrike.com and be sure to review our documentation and socials for the latest.